Love you, sir. We love you. We love you.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this video particularly is about Kcee and his brother Emoney. The Dirty December we are all talking about has started, and it has started from the 5-star mansion, as it did something very unique and very amazing to really praise them and talk about. Kcee bought his producer a car, bought the OkwesiliEze Group a car, and the DJ as well. He bought all of them a car, and they were all in a celebration mode all through. That's what I'll be bringing here to you guys on the channel, on the video. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, share, comment in the comment section. We all know it's a season of giving, and so if these guys have decided to bless those they've been working with, yeah, it's a beautiful thing. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to drop a comment.
We love you, sir. We love you. We love you. We love you, sir. We love you.
This one is just for you.
Yes, sir.
OkwesiliEze
Yes, sir. We love you. Oh, double promotion. Everything you are doing, double promotion.
I don't think I made it. Fifty. Brand new, yo. Brand new, yo. Brand new for 50. 5-star DJ. Get the kids. I'm the one God chose, so you bless me. Got it, 5-star DJ in the house. 50.
50 got a brand new.
Hello, how you doing? I got a car. Omo. You kidding me? You know I can't buy this now. I'm fucking broke, and you got it for me. Oh my God. Are you sure I deserve it?
It's your Christmas day.
Listen to me.
Yes.
You guys will never ever in this life lack.
Amen.
You see, all these ones that they enjoy at the beginning,
Amen.
God is going to bless you through your children. All your descendants, all of them will be rich.
Amen.
For remembering me,
Amen.
who are they what? Each time I come Lagos, even if I cough, they give me 100,000, 200,000. If I cry for East, tell them say I don't die, you give me.
I gave them their own. The last time you took
I saw it on the post. I know they deserve it. Yes, they are artists. Oh, me. Everything I do, you pay me.
Of course. But you're a nice guy.
I asked you for help, you give me.
There are better ones than that.
Oh my God.
Even my DJ, I gave you more.
Really? Hey, Jehovah. I can't say when la moto. I can't say when la moto. I can't say when la moto. I can't say God day when la moto. Man, obu moto picture. Ga moto picture. Okay. Hey! Yanu lere Jehovah mudi ebu n'anya. Oh nene. So let me get this car.
Nakamura.
God bless Kcee for me. Kcee, you will never know downfall in your life. Oh my God.
Crafted for those who soar higher. Be the standout Swift. Enjoy motel responsibly. Not for sale to persons under the age of 18.
There are monotones, and there are extraordinary layerings of music. There are parties, and there are unforgettable experiences that leave you wanting more. There are social lubricants, and then there's sacrifice. Came over here, and I always reach for more than just the familiar, more than just the regular. Smirnoff Ice brings the right vibe to every occasion. Smirnoff Ice, never ordinary, always spirited.
To me, I don't really think it's a big deal here, but yes, it's a big deal because it's not easy. No matter how much you're making, no matter how supportive these people has been working with you, it's really a show of love that you appreciate their effort and what they have been doing for you. You know, it's not an easy thing to cough out such huge amount of money at once to get these guys different cars because you know they need them for walk around. Yeah, Kcee has made a lot out of his recent niche of music, which is cultural praises. He has made a lot from cultural vibes to cultural praise and others. Anyway guys, let me know in the comment section. Tell me your thoughts. See you guys on my next video.